late is too late for an estate plan? I love that question. I'm not encouraging procrastination, but what I do want you to know is that, let's say somebody has been diagnosed with Alzheimer's. That's not too late for an estate plan to get it in place. Actually, that's a really good impetus to get it taken care of. The Alzheimer's has progressed, right? It's getting a little bit more problematic. The Alzheimer's has taken over, and that person no longer has the ability to understand anything. It's too late. This is usually a gradual process between the diagnosis and the too late. As an elder law firm, we often meet with clients with diminished capacity. That doesn't mean it's too late to do an estate plan. We are very skilled in making sure that the person understands what their plan is, but they don't need to know all the complexities about all this. As long as they can comprehend and they can let me know, I understand that by signing this will, I've taken care of my wife, and then my kids get the money, and that it's going to be protected for her. That, and if I see that and I believe and I look in their eyes that they are tracking with me, I will find capacity in that. On the other hand, if they are just repeating one word over and over and they just don't understand, it's too late. So don't you yourselves make that decision without the input of an elder law attorney. And don't believe just because the doctor gave a diagnosis means it's too late. It isn't necessarily too late. When is it too late? Capacity is completely gone or the death has already occurred. That's too late. I can tell you, we really do not want to be signing estate plans in the hospital. Have we done it? Yeah. Do we want to? No. It's stressful for everybody. When a family is dealing with a loved one's declining health, last thing they need to be worrying about is the legal stuff, the estate plan. That should already be done in advance. Focus on your loved one. It's another reason I don't like the hospital signings, but whether it's too late, a lawyer can help you with that determination. And same sort of question, can someone make a will if they're on their deathbed? There's all sorts of laws on a deathbed declaration. I'm just going to answer it specifically with regard to a will. Yes, they can be on their deathbed and they can do a will. It must meet all the formalities that Washington law requires. Again, I don't recommend it, but it can be done.